Today I'm going to show you how to use our Repair Request Builder. We're going to start by going to www.inspectorteam.com and clicking on where it says Sample Report in the top right-hand corner. This page gives you a clear view of what your client's reports will look like. The dashboard displays the home's address, a picture of the house, our inspector, and is co-branded with your information. If we scroll down, we can see what the inspector noted and what type of repairman may be necessary to remedy the issues. For example, some of the notes will say qualified professional, whereas others will say handyman or DIY. As for the repair request, you'll start by going back up to the top of the page and clicking on Report Tools, then Repair Request Builder. There's two different options for how to do this, and we're going to go over both. It's going to be a matter of communicating with your client to see which method best fits their needs. The first thing I always do is change the document name to Exhibit A. From here, we're going to click on the items that we want fixed. We'll click on Roof Covering Materials, Credit, and say we want $500. Then, Roof Structure and Attic, comment, and write Repair Please. Then we can click on Walls, Credit, and say we want $1,000. Once we have all our items selected, we're going to click on Preview, and it will bring up a document marking all of the repair requests that your clients want fixed in an easy-to-read format. If we scroll down to the bottom of the document, we can see that it has the total credit requested as $1,500. For the second method, we're going to exit out of here and go back to our Repair Request Builder. The other way to do this is to uncheck the credit buttons, but leave the green check marks listed on the pictures. Instead of itemizing each individual option, we're just going to write in the header text space, $1,500 requested for repairs. Again, hit Preview. This time, the total requested will not be at the bottom with each recommendation itemized. Instead, it will start off the document by saying $1,500 requested for repairs with the recommendations listed underneath. The piece that we commented on asking to be repaired will still be noted as such. And that is how you use our Repair Request Builder. Thanks so much for watching.